I am at King's Dominion with my friends. We're about to have a little bit of fun, so I decided I didn't bring my camera. Maybe I'm gonna vlog for you guys, so I'm just gonna get a couple shots for you guys at King's Dominion. I'm strong enough to do it, guys. Look, I don't think I can do it. This ride is so big, and my friends want me to go on there. I told them I'm a weekly no, but they don't want to believe me. Last time I went on a big ride, my nose was running, so let's see how that. Oh, this is me before the ride, and this is the ride.
You know that sad song today?
I don't know if you guys saw me, but it's so long and so high. There's a part that is higher than that part.
You have to be happy before the...
Yes. My friend is in distress. This is Dana.
A little distress.
Before the ride.
A little.
Her voice went. She's so scared she lost her voice. This is me before the ride.
You're all clear.
Exactly. Oh damn, the ride is leaving. I'm not happy. How can I pretend to be happy after the ride? Oh, this is Serena after the ride. She was talking mad stuff about it. It's not that bad. It's the blood of Jesus. No, Jesus. Okay. Please, guys, this is me after the ride.
The ride was just fine.
It was alright.
The person shouting Jesus the whole ride.
I would never do it again, but it was okay.
Oh, you shouting?
Oh, so you were shouting blood of Jesus.
Oh,
Guys, right there in the middle, right there.
look at her.
To me, right there.
I didn't know what to be there.
Then I thought you were smiling. This is Serena. This is Dana. Oh. Oh my goodness, that is the next ride we're gonna be going on. It just goes up slowly and like swings around over there. Doesn't look scary, that's why we're doing it. It just looks calm. You can literally chat on there and stuff like that. So, and it also just comes down slowly as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And Dana is still in distress. Guys, they're about to go on. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't do it. I was not gonna do it, but they're braver than us. So it's something like that, like a swing or something. Yeah, they're strapping up. Selena girl is scared, but should be okay. We just did that. That actually okay. By the way, guys, that looks like it goes like slow from when you're standing down here, but when you actually get on top of it, it is fast. It is fast. Okay, and it was kind of scary, but we did it, and there it is going up right now. But yeah, they're still strapping up. I'll get back to you guys when they are on the swing or whatever that is. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I and my friends decided to go to King's Dominion in Virginia. We already have been to like 2 rides already, and we're gonna go on 2 more. And right now my friends are going on one of the rides that I'm not gonna be going, and my friend Dana is not gonna be going on because we're scared. Yeah, we're scared. But after this we're gonna go on like 2 more rides, 2 or 3 more rides, depending on like the time and stuff. And right now they're actually being told what to do when they're on the ride, and somebody looks scared. I'm looking forward to them going on there. It looks fun. Oh, that doesn't look fun at all. That looks scary. Oh my god, guys.
And then the best for video is gonna be right in the front.
Okay.
So you can go all the way up and then come right over here.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So right now, so it's kind of a swing, guys, except you're on your stomach. I'm gonna record them when they first start to swing, but they're getting strapped up on the swing right now. This is so fun. I'm so looking forward to hearing what they have to say about it. And it goes like from a pole right here, the pole right there, all the way up onto the other pole on the side, and You can see the strings. Can you imagine? Yeah. Kids. They're getting. Ooh, guys. This is so cool. They're literally like hand in hand. I'm gonna try this. Like, literally, they're hand in hand. That's funny. Oh, that's so fun. Is that her screaming already? Nah, it's not her. Is that Grandma? Hey, moment of truth. Moment de vraiment. They're going up. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're right there. I would never do that. Oh no. Oh, let me tell you. Let me reduce it so you guys can. Oh, that's so tiny.
It's cussing somebody out properly. Oh my god.
Oh, we set her up. We set her up, guys.
It was that high.
We set her up.
Oh my.
Oh dang, that's why they charge extra 20 to go on there. Like that's literally them, like a tiny bird. Oh, oh my god. Hey yo, and I think they're gonna drop. I think it's gonna release them. Oh, oh damn, oh damn. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. Could not be me. No, literally. That's so cool though. I think the hardest part about this is the drop. After the drop, everything is fine. I was scared for a second. We got a thumbs up. Was it good?
Did you hear that scream?
She did.
Did you hear it? No, I did not scream.
It was there.
That's good for you guys.
Now we're in the Flight of Terror, and it's giving spice, stuff like that. It's giving aliens or like I don't know, space builders or like mechanics, air mechanics. I think. Yeah, we're about to go on there. I feel dizzy and hungry, but everything for the fun. Side of the space like ship looks like, and we're in line to go, but it looks basic. So we finally got in, and this is what it was inside. But this was my fourth ride. As you can see, they were just trapping everybody in to make sure that everything was safe, and they actually have a cool way of like letting everybody out. Like, watch.
Hey Siri, launch the flight here.
Hey guys, so I was editing my Kings and Minions vlog, and I just realized that I didn't like do an outro and stuff like that. So before the aerospace ride, we actually went on another ride prior to that, but I was so like, I thought that ride was not gonna be scary because I had thought that I had done the worst. But when I went on that ride, I was like, oh hell no. That ride was kind of like, it was scary. We're doing like speed bumps on the roller coaster. It was fast. It was like, that was the scariest ride I actually went on. Maybe because I was not expecting it to be scary, but it ended up being the most scary. And for the space ride, I think that was actually my best. Maybe because I couldn't like see, I said see. Maybe because I couldn't like see the ride. Like we can't see the ride. Like I had my eyes open as well in the space thingy, and I still could not see. So I don't even know like how it was, but I feel like it was the best. Maybe because I don't know what was. I wasn't like anticipating or like, you know, worried about how it was. I was just like ready to go on there, and it was actually fun. And I think that ride also gave me neck pain because like it was so fast, and our head just kept going like, it was just like wobbling up and down, and like so much was going on. But overall, I think that was the best ride on there. But thank you so much for tuning in, because I know this was a fun vlog. Stay blessed, stay tuned, and stay looking for another lit video. Peace.